Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function SUMIF and SUMIFS. Now let's understand what is SUMIF. The SUMIF function adds the value of items which match criteria set by the user. That means we need to add the values based on a particular criteria. And SUMIFS is similar to SUMIF, but here we have multiple criterias. We can have multiple criterias to add the values, and when we can add up to 30 criterias. So now let's understand with an example. Here in this data, we have sales. This is a sales group and the region and month-wise sales. And here we have the total sales figure. Now let's see how we can use SUMIF. Here we want total T sales. Total T sales of all the regions. We're not bifurcating by any region, so we want the complete sales of the T across all the months. So we have total here and T, sales group, that is T is here group column A. So let's see how we can write the function. We put equal to sum if, open the bracket. Now it says range. Which range? Our T is in A. So I'll select column A. And the criteria is we are looking for T. So I'll just put it in inverted comma T. T-E-A. Then comma. Then sum range. That means where is the value? Value is in our G column. So we'll select this one. So wherever it finds T and the total, it will add up all those values. Let's close the bracket and see the value. Now here we see 69,67,713. So this is of sum of all T across all region, across all months. So it will sum up here wherever the T is there, it will add up and bring up the value. Let's try with another example of coffee. So SUMIF range where our criteria is there. The criteria is coffee, so I'll type coffee, FE, and total sum range is in our D column. So I'll select the G. Close. The total coffee sales for all the regions for all the months is 91,45,389. Let's see almond sales for only November. So I'll put SUMIF almond is in group column A, so I'll select this one, almond, and the sum range we want in November. So this time we'll select group D because we want the sum of almond sales in November. So I just put and close it. Oh, it's almonds, so S is missing, so it's okay. Now we'll say another example, chocolate by Chennai region. So here we'll use Here we'll use some ifs because we have two criteria. We want chocolate sales and region Chennai. So we have two criteria. So here we will use some ifs equal to some ifs. Open the bracket. Now first here sum range. Our sum range is in column G. So I'll put the sum range. Now the criteria 1 range. Our criteria is chocolate. Chocolate is in group A, sales group, and the criteria will type chocolate. CHOCOLATE. Close the bracket. Close inverted comma. Then second criteria. Second criteria is Chennai. Okay. So region Chennai is in column B. So I'll select column B, and the criteria is Chennai. Close. See, get chocolate sales by Chennai region. Now let's see. We'll try with the coffee of by Mysore. So it will be SUMIFS. Open the bracket. Sum range is on the criteria range is coffee. Coffee is in group A. Coffee. So we'll type coffee. We'll go to secondary criteria. It's a region. Region is in column B. So I'll select column B, comma. What is the region criteria? Mysore. So I'll type Mysore and close the bracket. We can give up to 30 criteria. Here we have given only two. So for the example we have taken only two. We can go up to 30 criteria in some apps. So you get total coffee sales by Mysore. If you want total coffee sales of Mysore only for December, you can add the third criteria, December. Yes, or we can add any number of criteria. As I told you, we can go up to 30 criteria. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saranand Jairam.